Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn fractions. Introduction. It is combined for class 6 and 7. First, fraction. What is fraction? It is in the form a by b, where b not equal to 0. That is, denominator is not equal to 0. A and b are integers. Fraction means a number representing part of a whole. What is whole? Whole may be a single object or group of objects. Example for single object is a cake. Example for group of objects is number of classes in a school. So it is a group of classes will give you a school. Now, parts means division of whole into equal parts. This is part. For example, if you are ordering a cake, cake is the whole thing. See, this cake is the whole thing. Now you are going to make equal parts of this cake. So how many parts you are making? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Now 3 of your friends arrived. So you are decided to give 3 pieces to your friends. Okay. So total number of equal parts is 4. Now, number of parts taken out for your friends is 3. See here, fraction is equal to, now the fraction is equal to what? Number of parts taken divided by total number of parts. So, number of parts taken is 3. Total number of parts is 4. So, 3 by 4. This is the fraction we are getting here. This 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. In another day, another case, again you bought a cake. So this cake is a whole thing. How many parts you made this time also? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 equal parts. Now 2 of your friends arrived. So you want to give 2 pieces to them. So what is the fraction here? Here the fraction is 2. Number of parts taken out is 2 and the whole number of parts is 4. So 2 by 4 is the fraction here. Now proper fraction. What is proper fraction? If the numerator is less than denominator, then the fraction is proper. Example, see 1 by 2, 5 by 10, 3 by 5 and so on. See the numerator, this numerator is less than denominator in everywhere. If the numerator is less than denominator, it is a proper fraction. Since the numerator is lesser than the denominator, answer will always be less than 1. This is the main thing here. You need to understand. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator and the answer of this fraction is always less than 1. See here, this is some human being standing properly. See, our head is very small compared with our body. Okay, so this is proper. Think our head as numerator and our whole body is denominator. Okay, so numerator divided by denominator. Think like that. Our head and body, big body, small head, big body. So numerator is less than denominator. Think like that. It will be easy to catch up in your memory. Now proper fraction is equal to numerator is small number, denominator is big number. The answer is less than 1. That's all. Now improper fraction. What is improper fraction? The ulta of proper fraction is improper fraction. See here, numerator is greater than denominator. 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 9 by 5. See, the numerator is greater in all the cases compared with the denominator. So, the answer will always be greater than 1. Yes, of course, if the numerator is greater, it will give you the answer greater than 1 every time. Now, we will have the funny example. See here, standing improperly, upside down. Our big body is in the top, head is in the down. So, see here, big numerator, that means big body and divided by small denominator. See, improper fraction is equal to numerator divided by denominator. This answer is always greater than 1. Big number by small number. Now we will have an example how the answer will always be greater than 1 in improper fraction. For example, we will take 3 by 2. So 3 divided by 2. If we divide 3 by 2, what we will get? See here, how many 2's in 3? Only 1 2. So 2. If we minus this, we will get 1. See here, how to write this? We can write like Q or D. Quotient R is 1 and divisor is 2. We can write like that. See, 1 by 2. In here also we can have a decimal answer. See, 3 divided by 2. How many 2's? 1 2's. 2 minus remainder is 1. If we put point, we can have 0 here. So how many 2's in 10? 5 2's. This is equal to 5 2's are 10. So this is equal to 1.5. See, answer is always greater than 1 we are getting. See, 1 by 2 is also greater than 1. 1.5 is also greater than 1. So in either ways, mixed fraction or decimal point also we can get answer from this improper fraction and proper fraction too. See here, let us have another example. 5 by 4. This is equal to C. If you divide 5 by 4, how many times 4 and 5? 1 time. Minus 4. So 1 is the remainder. Now Q is this one. Quotient. Remainder. This is divisor. So remainder Q or D. 1 divided by 4. This is in the form Q or D. If you are writing an improper fraction in this type, this is called a mixed fraction. This is in the form Q or D. Quotient, remainder divided by divisor. Thus, improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction easily. Now we will see mixed fraction in detail. Mixed fraction is in the form Q or D. Mixed fraction is combination of a whole and a part. Example, 4 1 by 2, 3 1 by 3, 1 3 by 5. See, 4 is the whole part, 1 by 2 is the fraction. It's a part of a whole. So 3 is the whole part and 1 by 3 is the part of a whole. So 1 3 by 5. 1 is the whole number here. 3 by 5 is a fraction, that is part. See here, 4 1 by 2. This 4 is the whole. And this 1 by 2 is part of a whole. Now mixed fractions are in Q or by D format. What is Q or by D? Q means quotient, remainder, or means remainder, and D means divisor. See, if you divide a number, inside number is dividend, outside number is divisor. If you divide a dividend by the divisor, you always get quotient and the remainder. If it is the proper factor, the remainder is always 0. If it is not the factor of the dividend, then the remainder will be a number. So mixed fraction works with the number remainder alone. Now see here, mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. See how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, Q or D. We need to multiply Q, see here, Q into D plus R. Q into D. We need to multiply this and then we need to add this answer with the remainder. So Q into D plus R divided by D will give you the improper fraction. So shall we make this mixed fraction into improper fraction? See here, now we are going to do 4 into 2 plus 1. See, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 2. See, this remains the same. In this case, 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 divided by this 3. Here, 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So, 8 by 5. So, all the mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. So mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. See here, this 9. We will convert this into improper fraction. 9 divided, this is the improper fraction actually. So we are going to make this into mixed fraction. 9 is divided by 2. See here, how many 2's in 9? 4 times. So divided by 4 2's are 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So this is our Q, this is our remainder R, and this is our divisor. So see here, Q is 4, R is 1, and divisor is 2. So 4 1 by 2. Both the cases we can do vice versa. Mixed fraction into improper, improper into mixed. Now equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Two or more fractions representing the same part of a whole. Example. See, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and so on, 36 by 72. All are equivalent fraction. That means equal fractions. If you are looking, these are all different fractions. For looking sake, these are all different fractions, but they are all equal only. I will tell you how. Suppose if you are multiplying 1 by 2 with 1, what we will get? 1 by 2. Multiplying any number with 1 give you the same number. We have seen this in integers. See, a into 1 gives you a. Keep it in mind, this is very important. 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. I think there is no doubt in this. So, 1 by 2 instead of 1, shall I give 2 by 2? That means I am multiplying with the 2 and dividing with the 2. Same number in the numerator and denominator. What is this 2 by 2? 2 by 2 is 1. So, instead of 1, I am using this number into. Now, 1 into 2. See here, this is equal to 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 2. This is nothing but 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So, see here, this how this 2 by 4 comes? 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Now 3 by 6. From 1 by 2 we can get 3 by 6. See here, 3 divided by 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Now 4 by 8. How we will get 4 by 8 from 1 by 2? 1 by 2 into 4 by 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. In this similar way, we can get all these numbers. See here, 1 by 2 into 36 divided by 36 gives you 36 by 72. So, all these are equivalent fractions. See, 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 alone. So, 1 by 2. Here, this 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Similarly, 1 by 2 is equivalent with all the other fractions. So, this 4 by 8 is equal to 3 by 6. So, each and every number, every fraction in this series is equal to one another. Therefore, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 equal to and so on. So, the concept in equivalent fraction is whatever fraction you are given with, if they are asking you to find the equivalent fraction for the given fraction, it is very easy. 1 by 2 into 1. Think like that. See, instead of this 1, we can have any number in the numerator and denominator with the same number. See here, instead of 1, you can put 100 also. 100 by 100, but it should be the same because 100 by 100 gives you 1 alone. Same thing. See here, whatever number in the numerator should come in the denominator. Then it is equivalent to the given fraction. This is equal to 100 divided by 200. So, 1 by 2 is now equal to this 100 divided by 200. So, wherever you are asking to find the equivalent fraction, always multiply the given fraction with the same number in the numerator and in the denominator. That's all, using multiplication. Suppose Find equivalent fraction by division. Same method only, by division. So we multiplied here with the same number. Now this number 12 by 8 is a fraction. We are going to find the equivalent fraction for this thing using division. So for this, what we are going to do? 12 divided by 2. So 2 can divide both. We have to find the common divisor for that. So 12 by 8. So 2 can divide both the numbers. Now 8 divided by 2. See, 12 divided by 2 gives you 6. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So 6 by 4. This is equivalent to this fraction. You can divide this further. Suppose, see here, 6 divided by 4. 6 can be divided by 2. 4 can be divided by 2. In both the cases, we need to use the same number. Equal to 6 by 2 is 3. 4 by 2 is 2. So, equivalent fraction. Directly also, you can use this 12 by 8 to find this 3 by 2. 12 by 8. This is equal to 12 divided by, even 4 can divide both, no? So 4 in the numerator, similarly 8 divided by 4 in the denominator also. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So this is equal. So all the 3 are equal. That is 12 divided by 8 is equal to 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. They are all equal to one another. All are equivalent fraction. See, in multiplication, you can find infinite number of equivalent fractions. But in division method, you can find only limited number of equivalent fraction, because in all the cases it will come into a point where there is no common factor between numerator and denominator. There we need to stop. This number is called the simplest form of fraction. So using multiplication, we can find infinite number of equivalent fraction, but using division we can find only finite number of equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction can be found by multiplication and division. See, using multiplication, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. By division, here also divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now, simplest form of a fraction. Simplest form or lowest form. What is simplest form? Numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. In short, HCF of numerator and denominator is equal to 1. If you find HCF, it should be 1. Then the fraction is called in simplest form or lowest form. See, find the simplest form of 36 by 24. We need to find HCF for this number. So 36, 24. What is the smallest prime number? 2 we can use. So how many 2's in 36? 1, 8, 18. Here how many 2's in 24? 12. Here also 2 can divide. So 2. How many 2's in 18? 9. How many 2's in 12? 6. Now which common number can divide both? 3 can divide. So how many 3's in 9? 3. How many 3's in 6? 2. Is there any common factor between 3 and 2? No. So we need to stop here. So our HCF is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12. So 12 is our common factor, HCF. Okay. So we are going to divide this 36 and 24 by 12 in the numerator and the denominator. This is equal to, see here, 36 divided by 12 gives us 3 and 24 divided by 12 gives us 2, 3 by 2. So there is no common factor between 3 and 2. This is our simplest form. That is, further we cannot cancel the numerator and denominator. This is in simplest form. Simplest form by cancellation method. We can use this method or we can use the cancellation method also. See, 36 by 24. So what is the common factor between 36 and 24? 2. So using 2 we can divide these two numbers. So 36, 18, 1 time 2, in 16 8 times. Here 1 time 2, in 4 2 times. Again we can cancel. How many 2's in, using 2 only we can divide. Common factor is 2. So how many 2's in 8? 18 9 times. How many 2's in 12? 6. Now the common factor between the two numbers 9 and 6 is 3. Using 3 we are going to divide now. How many 3's in 9? 3 9's. How many 3's in 6? 2 3's. So finally for 3 and 2 there is no common factor. So this is our simplest form of the given fraction. So simplest form we can find using HCF or by cancellation method. So simplest form is there is no common factor between numerator and denominator. It cannot be cancelled further. Now unit fractions. What is unit fraction? Numerator is 1 in all fractions. See example 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 etc. See numerator is 1 in all fraction. Unit 1 means unit. So if you have 1 in all fraction in the numerator and denominator may be any number. If you have all ones in the numerator then it is called a unit fraction. Like fraction. Same denominators in all fractions. If you have a set of fractions, all the denominators are same means all the fractions are like fractions. Example, see here 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, 8 by 15. The numerators are different but the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, it is called a like fraction. How to compare like fractions? Here also we can take this example. So we need to look for the greater number. Wherever you are seeing greater number in the numerator, that is the bigger fraction. So 8 by 15 is greater. 8 by 15 is greater than 3 by 15. This 3 by 15 is greater than 2 by 15 and 2 by 15 is greater than 1 by 15. Always fractions with the greater number. Greater number in the numerator. Greater number in the numerator is greater. This is the important point. Have it in mind. For example, see here 4 by 9 and 3 by 9. Which is greater? 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. We need to check whether which one is greater in the numerator. So 4 is greater than 3. In fraction also 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. Now unlike fractions. So like fraction means same denominator. Different denominators in all fraction is unlike fraction. It's vice versa only. Different denominators in all fractions is unlike fraction. See here 2 by 3, 5 by 8, 4 by 7, all the denominators are different. So now comparison. How to compare? Change unlike fraction into like fractions, then compare. We need to compare unlike fraction after changing into like fraction. 2 by 3, 5 by 6. For that we need to make it into a like fraction, we need to take LCM 3 and 6. So which number can divide both? 3 can divide. How many 3's in 3? 1 3. How many 3's in 6? 2. So 2 can divide this 2. So 1 comma 1. Now the LCM is LCM equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. So 6 is the LCM. How to convert this 2 by 3? To make it the denominator as 6, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 into 2. This is equal to 4 by 6. Second number is already denominator is 6, so we no need to worry about that. So this 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So instead of 2 by 3, we can write 4 by 6 and then we can compare this with 5 by 6. See, like fraction. Which is greater here? See the numerator, 5 is the greater number than 4. So this 4 is less than 5. So 4 by 6 is less than 5 by 6. So using this, since this 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3, this 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 6. That's all. How to compare fractions with the same numerator. Example, 3 by 8 is compared with the 3 by 10. See, the numerator is same but the denominator is different. In this case, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater of the two. So we need to look for the smaller denominator. Which is smaller, 8 or 10? 8 is smaller. So this is greater than this one. So here we are going to look for the smaller fraction, smaller denominator. The smaller denominator fraction is greater than the bigger denominator fraction. So this is the smaller thing here. So this is greater. 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 10. Now we will have another example. 4 by 7, 4 by 3. Same numerator but different denominator. See, for the bigger denominator and smaller denominator. See, 7 is bigger, 3 is smaller. But 3 fraction is the bigger number. So this 4 by 7 is less than 4 by 3. Fractions with the smaller denominator is greater of the 2. Smaller denominator is greater of the 2. Now addition and subtraction of fractions. Like fraction, directly we can add or subtract. See here, 1 by 2 plus 6 by 2. Both the like fractions, so denominators are same. So we can have the common denominator and we can add the numerator directly. Answer is 7 by 2. This is very direct. Now second question, similarly subtraction also. See, 9 by 5 minus 7 by 5. Denominator is same. So we can have the same denominator, common denominator. 9 minus 7. In the numerator we can directly subtract. 9 minus 7 gives us 2 divided by 5. Here 5 by 3 minus 3 by 8 by 3. Denominators are same, like fractions. So here also common 3. 5 minus 8. So we are going to subtract. 8 minus 5 gives us 3, but negative 3 divided by 3. This is our fraction here. We can make it as minus 1. Now unlike fractions, if we want to add or subtract unlike fractions, we need to convert it into like fractions and then add or subtract. See, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So to make it like fraction, we need the same denominators in each fraction. See, 5 and 2. We need to find the LCM for this. 5 comma 2. There is no common factor. So 5 into 2 is our LCM. See, 5 can divide this 5 one times to keep 2 as it is. 2. 1 comma 1. So the LCM is equal to 5 into 2 equal to 10. Now we want to make the denominators as 10. To make this 5 as 10, what we need to do? We need to multiply the denominator with 2. So we cannot multiply anything with the denominator. So if you are doing here, you must do here also. So multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now to make this 2 as 10, what we need to do? We need 5 to multiply with. So with the same number, we need to multiply this numerator also. So 3 into 2 gives us 6 divided by 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 into 5 is 5 divided by 2 5s are 10. Now easily we can common denominator same. So we can take 110 and 6 plus 5. We can add the numerator. This is 11 by 10 is our answer. It is very easy. Can you do this subtraction of fractions and leave your answer in the comment. Now addition and subtraction in mixed fraction. Easy way how to do. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. In improper fraction also you need to see two things. If it is unlike, find LCM for denominators to make it like fraction. If it is a like fraction, directly we can add or subtract the numbers. See here. Example 4 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 6. We are going to add this. So this is in the form QRD. How to do this? 4 2 by 3. Make this into improper fraction. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 gives us 14. 14 divided by 3 plus 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 divided by 6. 13 by 6. So, see here, it is unlike. Do you see the denominator? Denominators are different. So, we need to make it as a like fraction. For this, we need LCM. 3 into for the denominator. 3 into 6. What is the LCM? 3. 1, comma 2. So, 2 can divide this. So, the LCM is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So, now we want to make this 3 as 6. See, already one denominator 6. So, no need to worry about this fraction. We need to make this as 6. So, for that we need to multiply this with 2. Whatever number you are using here to multiply, you must multiply with the same number in the numerator. So, 14 into 2 gives us 28 divided by 6 plus 13 divided by 6. This is equal to, we can have the common 6 in the denominator and we can add the numerator. 28 plus 13. This is equal to 41 by 6. Now, we will do one subtraction sum also. See here, 8 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6. First, we will make it as a improper fraction. So, 8 into 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 gives us 33 by 4 minus 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 divided by 6. Here also the denominators are different. So, it is an unlike fraction. So, we need to change it into like fraction. For that, we are going to find LCM for 4 and 6. 2 will do. 2 times in 6, 3 times 2. So, 2, 1, comma 3. So, 3 can divide 1, comma 1. LCM is LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3. This is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is our LCM. Now, we are going to make 12 in the denominator. LCM is 12. So, how to make a denominator 12 here? We need to multiply this with 3. Multiply here also with 3. So, 33 into 3 is 99 divided by 4 3s are 12. Here also we are going to multiply to make this 6 as 12. Multiply with 2. So, 17 into 2 gives us 34 divided by 12. This is equal to, we are now it becomes the like fraction. So, we can have the common denominator 12. 99 minus 34. This is equal to 65 divided by 12. This is our fraction. That's all. Thank you.